YEPS team are really excited to welcome young people back into schools, back into our youth provision. Since schools have closed, we have been unable to provide any after-school activities on school site. Therefore, we invented a virtual programme. This virtual programme provides a number of engagement activities to keep young people positively engaged throughout lockdown, through things like Zoom, face-to-face work via video calls, 5 days a week. A number of activities are uploaded for young people to get involved. We've also done targeted work such as mental health workshops. These have been very successful. Working with young people virtually through lockdown has raised their self-esteem, confidence and improved their mental health. We had a number of young people comment positively on saying thanks to YEPS for their activities during lockdown. They've really helped us be engaged and keep our mental health positive. Now, on the 29th, when schools return, YEPS workers will be placed into the hubs and into the schools, providing some one-to-one support. The YEPS team are really excited to welcome young people back into schools, back into our youth provision and doing something positive and continue to do some virtual activities too.